water goes in? No? Did the water go in, Jojo? It kinda sticks to your face. One at a time. Jojo, say cheese. Cheese. Ate, look at me. Cheese. Look, look.
That is flashing right into my eye.
You see under the water? Huh? Water doesn't go in?
Water doesn't go in. No.
Is it too tight?
No.
Jojo, is it water went in Jojo's? I think it's going in, Jojo.
Did it go in?
I think because it's the goggles, the side, it's over your ears. Should be here, like this. The other side too.
It was stuck to my eyes.
Yes, okay, we have to fix it. Okay, say bye.
Bye.